How to upload designs to Teespring. Hello guys and welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to sell your designs on merchandises, Teespring is a great platform to consider. Uploading designs to Teespring is an easy and straightforward process. All you need to do is have a design that you would like to sell, and Teespring will handle the rest, from printing to shipping to customer service. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps of how to upload your designs to Teespring and start selling your merchandises to a global audience. Now over here right now, I am currently in Teespring. If you don't have an account, you can simply create your account or you could log in if you already have. Now after signing up or logging in, this is what we are going to look like. This is our homepage right now. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to create a product. Over here, as we scroll down, as you can see under quick actions, we will be able to create products over here. We would be able to also edit our store and run a sale. So what we're going to press on is the create products. Now over here on this section, we will be able to see all the different types of product that we would be able to create our design on. As you can see here, we have windbreakers, bags over here. There's also jigsaw puzzle. There's bucket hats, many types of products. As you can see here on the top, we have new products option over here. These are products that are newly into the market. We also have bestsellers, which are products that people are buying the most. You can see here, there's also apparels over here where you will be able to see all the different clothing. Like for men over here, we have t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeves, tees, outwears, tank tops, bottoms, and all print. It is very similarly with the women's clothing over here, except they have an outerwear over here. There's also bottoms and activewear. There's also for kids and babies over here. And there's premium as color collection and conscious color over here. You could also create hats over here. By clicking this, you would be able to see all the different hat products. You could also have a digital product that you would like to sell. For example, an ebook, just like that, as you can see here. You could also check out the home and decor over here, where you will be able to create designs for wall art, drinkware, pillows, blankets, baths, puzzles, and pets over here. For pets, you would be able to edit their feeding mat and dog feeding mat over here. You could also create accessories just like this. We have slippers over here, and there's also face coverings, hats, and many more options over here. You could also go with collections that are different types of collections, like car collections, which are gaming collections, health and fitness collection, arts and craft collections, beauty, and many more. Now you could choose any of these products that you would like to sell. It is completely up to you. But for me, I'm going to go with our best sellers over here. And we're going to go with a beanie over here. We're going to click this. Now by clicking that, as you can see here on the top, we have the steps over here. We have chosen our product, which was step 1. Now we are going to do the designing, the listing, and the launch over here. As you can see here on our screen, we are currently choosing the colors available for our product. We can choose the different variants. We could select all of these. As you can see, we have white, gold, gray, spruce, red, dark gray, navy, brown, and black over here. You could choose any. These are variants. For example, these are variants, meaning these are the different types of color that you would be selling this product into. Now, the next thing is we're going to click on design. Now, over here, this is where we will be able to upload the design that we are going to have. This is also, we could add a text also over here and add a clip art. Now, you could use any platform that you like to create a design for your product, but I suggest that you use Canva over here. Canva is a great platform for creating designs because it has a lot of elements that you could use, and there is no limit to your creativity in Canva. You could use any combination of elements and fonts, and basically it is completely up to your creativity. As you can see here, I already have a few designs for my t-shirt, but for now we're going to create a random design. So we're going to go with a random template. For example, we're going to create a design over here, and we're going to go with Instagram post square over here so that we have a nice and square canvas. So we're going to go with that for now. And over here, we're going to wait for our editing page to load. And as you can see here on the left side, we have elements, uploads, and text. These are the 3 features that we are going to focus on today. Under elements, this is where we will be able to see all different things that we could use to create our design. We also have our uploads over here. If you have pre-existing designs already, you could also do it here. And over here on text, this is where you will be able to use different types of fonts for your design. As you can see here, there are a lot of designs. So we're going to go with elements over here. And what you're simply going to do is you're going to search an element that you like, specifically a topic that you would like your design over here to have. For example, we're going to have a topic about rockets. So we're going to search rockets over here, just like that. And as you can see here, we have photos and graphics. We're going to go with graphics. And as you can see here, there is a lot of different elements that you could use. It is completely up to you on which elements you would like to use. For me, I'm simply going to choose an element that I like. For example, this one over here, I'm going to drag it there. I'm going to enlarge it. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to search for another element, planets, just like that. And you are able to add different elements together in your canvas. And we're simply going to look for an element that we like. For example, this one. See if it will work. Let's not go with that one. We're going to go and look for something else. For example, this one over here. Could put it in the middle just like that. And we could make these two designs combined just like this. I'm going to make it into the middle just like that. There's also other designs over here that you could use. It is completely up to you on how you would like your design to go. But this is an example over here. We're going to try and create another design by clicking this. Just like that. We have this very simple design over here. You could add anything else you want. For example, this element over here, we're going to enlarge it. Just like that. We're going to align it so that it has like balance, just like that. Now, what I would like to do next is we're going to settle with this design for now. But for you, you could continue and explore in Canva because as you can see, there are a lot of good potential elements over here. It is very easy to create a very amazing design for your Teespring products over here. But for now, we're going to go with this. I'm going to click on share, download, and I'm going to download it as a PNG. I'm going to enable transparent background over here because this is a minimalist design. Going to click on download and we're simply going to wait for our design to finish downloading. Just like that, we're going to go to our Teespring and now we're going to upload our image. By clicking this, we would be able to add image, then upload the design. And over here, we have our design over here. We could move it around. Just like that, we could make it bigger. It's not that visible, so we're going to change the color to white. As you can see there, the color is changing. We're going to turn this to white also. Just like that. It's a bit too small because I expected the design to be in this section, but we're going to let it be for now. We can enlarge our design just like this. Just like that. It's not that good because it is on embroidery type over here. So it's a bit too small for this design. So I suggest that you make a better design than this and not go with a minimalist design like what I did. But we're going to settle with it for now. As you can see, it's still a bit good. So we're going to go with it. Over here, you could edit our color and detail like what we did earlier. And we also have transform over here where we can rotate our design, flip it horizontally or vertically, just like that. We could edit the position by clicking these buttons over here. Now, after doing that, we're going to click on continue. And over here, this is where we will be able to edit the details of our product. Over here, we're going to enter our title, for example, Space Beanie. Just like that. Then we could add a description over here, any type of description. It's completely up to you. And over here, you could set up your pricing. We have US over here. You have EU. You could edit the pricing on this section over here. You could also edit the URL handle over here, the visibility, and which store you would like to add this product on. Now, we're simply going to click on launch listing. And we're going to wait for it to finish preparing our product. And it will upload it to our website or store in Teespring. As you can see, our Space Beanie is now officially live. So we're going to view our listing over here. You could also activate a discount code over here, a promo code if you want. We're going to click on view listing. And as you can see here, this is our product over here. We have the different variants over here. As you can see, when I click this, we would be able to see different colors of our beanie. Just like that. You could also check out what it would look like on our featured product section over here. Just like that. It's on our first section. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.